Guess this is the last pack, guys. Last pack. Last pack. Oh! Yo, we finally got a diamond, bro. Jax Bragg, yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got a new character, and he's diamond, bro. Welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be doing a pack opening. You know what I'm saying? As you can see from the top there, how many souls we got there, man. I don't know. I was so hyped to do this. You know what I'm saying? Because I was trying to do better than the last pack opening that we did. Didn't go so well when we got that one diamond player, which is Cabal, the Fuse, and then we got 2 or 3 other diamond or gold characters that we got. Man, that was sad. But today, hopefully things go different, because we're gonna be opening for this Scarlet MK11 diamond pack, and we're gonna be doing 4 of the Athlete Nephilim Elder God pack. Let's see if it's gonna go better than the last time we did that pack opening. Anyways, less of me talking, let's get into this pack open. Here we go. Gonna be opening 4. Let's see. The reason why I'm gonna be opening this pack is not only that I'm gonna try and get the diamond players, because you see that 3 level up card. Yeah, we need some of that, so we get level up our players and stuff. Even when we get that diamond player. Here we go. Here we go. I'm really nervous, bro, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be scary. Let's see what we're gonna get. Hopefully we get that Scorpion there. Okay, let's get into it. Ooh, we got a gold. Alright. We got a Fuse. Accessory. Attack. Okay. There we go. Next pack. Ooh, this is scary. No diamond so far. Oh, we got a Fuse for Takada. Oh man. Looking good, man. That's looking good so far. Okay. Another accessory. The Swamp. Scorpion. No level up cards. Whew. Here we go. Pray for us, guys. Pray for us. Oh, we actually need this guy right now, though. Yes, sir. Oh, we got Triborg. Oh, he's good. All Triborg characters on your team gain fire for spiritual attack. 1 and everyone on your team deals 30% more fire damage. Alright, good. At least that's one good card, you know what I mean? I don't mind getting gold, but it must be a good and a decent gold card, you know what I'm saying? Not something that I really want to level up or anything, you know? But so far, decent. What's gonna make me much more happier is if we pull a diamond card, you know what I mean? A new diamond player. So you can level him up and go about getting more far into the game. Anyhow, let's see what we're gonna get now. Oh man, another diamond. Another why do I keep saying that? I'm so hyped, bro. I just want a diamond player, you know what I'm saying? Why we got another gold player? This is sad, bro. Alright, I guess this pack isn't all that good. 3 gold players. This pack I'll probably give it like a 5 out of 10. Cause it's not all that good. But at least we got to level up Takada and get Tribogar. Yeah. Let's do the next pack and see if we can do better than this Scarlet MK11 pack. I'm really disappointed though. You know what I mean? I really wanted a Scarlet or a Sub-Zero or a Scorpion, you know? But let's see how this next pack is gonna go. We're gonna open up 4. There we go. I'm having a feeling that this pack is not gonna disappoint me. It's not gonna disappoint me. Nah. It can't disappoint me, you know what I'm saying? It can't disappoint me. Come on, man. Y'all can't disappoint me. Let's see how this first pack is gonna look, man. This first pack is gonna tell us how the rest of packs are gonna go. How it's gonna look, you know what I mean? Let's see. Alright, here we go. Alright. I guess it's gonna go as gold. It's gonna go as gold, man. Come on. Need a lot of fuse. Need new characters, new. Second pack. Oh, Raiden. Oh, he's new. Corrupted Elder God. Bleed Fire. Oh, we got fire. He's a fire. Oh, okay. And Poison will heal Dark Raiden instead of damaging him. Power Drain gives power instead of draining it. It's a weird way to describe Raiden. And yo, he's dark anyways. So let's hop into the next pack. Please, God, please give me something good. Please give me a diamond, bro. Don't let all that stuff be a waste, man. Please. Oh my God, that stuff. Now we got not a what? This make no sense. This is making no sense, bro. Well, guess this is the last pack, guys. Last pack. Last pack. Oh! Yo, we finally got a diamond, bro. Jax Bragg, yo. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We got a new character, and he's diamond, bro. Man, I guess I told you this pack is not gonna disappoint me, bro. I told you this pack is not gonna disappoint. I told you this pack is not gonna disappoint, guys, yo. Well, this is a good way to end the video, you know what I'm saying? Getting a diamond character, bro. That's tough. After Jax or his opponent use a spherical attack, there is a 30% chance Circle of Shadow Jack gains invincibility for 2 seconds. Jack and his team gains 5% health for every Circle of Shadow character on the team. Circle of Shadow characters do 10% more damage via Strike Force characters. Sounds very deadly though. Yo. Well guys, this is the end of the video. Yo, bro, I'm so happy, bro. Anyways, this is the end of the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace.